Welcome to our adrenaline-pumping video showcasing the remarkable skills and daring maneuvers of the crazy Russian pilots. Brace yourself for an awe-inspiring display of jaw-dropping fighter jet maneuvers that will leave you on the edge of your seat. In this heart-stopping footage, witness the fearless pilots of the Russian military, pushing the boundaries of what is humanly possible in the skies. From gravity-defying barrel rolls to mind-boggling high-speed maneuvers, these pilots exhibit unparalleled expertise and nerves of steel. Watch in awe as these Russian fighter jets slice through the air with incredible precision, executing breathtaking aerobatic stunts that seem to defy the laws of physics. You'll be captivated by their mastery of tight turns, intricate formations, and mind-bending vertical climbs. Get ready to experience the adrenaline rush as these fearless pilots pull off death-defying aerial acrobatics, performing loops and spins that will make your head spin. The sheer power and agility of these cutting-edge fighter jets, combined with the unmatched skills of the Russian pilots, create a mesmerizing spectacle. As you immerse yourself in this thrilling visual feast, you'll also gain insight into the advanced technology behind these fighter jets. Marvel at the sleek designs, advanced avionics, and incredible maneuverability that make these aircraft the envy of the skies. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a fan of extreme maneuvers, or simply seeking an exhilarating adventure, crazy Russian pilots, jaw-dropping fighter jet maneuvers is an absolute must-watch. Join us as we witness the extraordinary skills and unwavering courage of these Russian pilots as they defy gravity and leave us in awe. Buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable experience as we take you on an exhilarating journey through the skies with the crazy Russian pilots.